Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Quick sort of a note just before we do question 22, which is what we'll be doing. I did get the answer of 14 in the last one, but I did not bubble it in as I usually do, so I'll just quickly say the answer to 21 was A. I realized that just after I finished the recording. Anyway, we can get ready for question 22 on our 2019 Cayley, as that is what we are going to be taking a look at in this video. What have we got? 7 friends are riding the bus to school. Cha and Bei are on 2 different buses. Bei, Abu, and Don are on 3 different buses. Don, Gia, and Fan are on 3 different buses. Abu, Ava, and Bei are on 3 different buses. Gia and Eva are on 2 different buses. So a lot of people need to be on different buses, I'm getting. Gia and Eva, Fan, Cha, and Gia are on 3 different buses. Cha and Ava are on 3 different buses. What is the least possible number of buses on which the friends could be riding? Okay, so it's sort of a logic puzzle, almost. But I don't know how many buses, but we've got to fit these A, B, C, D, E, F. G is the highest, so 7 friends. Oh, actually, they tell us it's 7. So we've got 7 people. We need to fit them on the buses to satisfy these requirements. Now, if I look at my possible answers, I'm seeing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, obviously the most, give everyone their own bus, and everything should be happy. 3, the least, because you'll notice there are a few of these conditions where where we definitely need 3 buses. Can't do it with 2 buses, because Bei, Abu, and Don all need to be on different buses. So 3 is sort of the minimum, but can that actually be achieved? Can we actually do it? And it's entirely possible that no, these conditions force us to need at least another bus, or maybe 2 other buses. Okay? We need to sort of investigate. So I'm going to start trying to work this out with 3 buses. And if I need to add more buses, I will. Bus 1, bus 2, bus 3. So actually, let's go with that condition that I just said. Abu, Bei, and Don are on 3 different buses. So let's put A, B, and D on different buses. Now, I think there was another one that involved A, B. Another 3 different buses. Oh, yeah. Abu, Eva, and Bei are on 3 different buses. So if, we could introduce another bus to put Eva on. But if we're trying to just use 3 buses, well, can't be here, so it has to be here. So Eva and Don must be on the same bus. Right? Okay. And now, so what else can we do? Well, we know where Eva is. We know where Don is. We know A, B, D, and E. What are some other ones? Who else sort of causes complications? I'm reading this. I'm noticing Eva does pop up a lot. So does Cha. Now, I know Cha and Bei can't be on the same bus, and Cha and Eva can't be on the same bus. So that means C can't be here or can't be here, so C has to be on bus 1 with Abu. Right? Unless we have a 4th bus. But we're trying to see, can we do it with 3 buses? So that forces C to be over there. Actually, I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna mark information that I've used. Not necessarily that I have to use each piece of information only once, but I'm just trying to be sure. Now, so that was 2 buses. Now I notice Eva and Gia have to be on 2 different buses. So let's take a look at Gia. Are there any other constraints for Gia? Well, actually, the next line, Gia and Cha can't be on the same bus. So G can't be here, G can't be with E, G would have to be with here. Be with B on bus 2. Okay, but there was a little bit more to this rule. There's Fan. We haven't placed Fan yet. Fan can't be with Cha or Gia. So Fan can't be here, Fan can't be here. Fan has to be on bus 3. And that's my 7 people placed. And so far, every rule that I've come across I've used, but you'll notice there's one I haven't. Don, Gia, and Fan need to be on 3 different buses. Is that true? Well, Dawn, Gia, and no, unfortunately, Dawn and Fan are on the same bus. Now, there wasn't any guesswork. There wasn't any, well, C could be here or here. Let's investigate the different cases. The rules that we read in the particular order we read them forced people to be there if we only have 3 buses, but we eventually got a contradiction. We couldn't satisfy all the rules. That happened when it came to placing Fan. Okay? So right now every rule is satisfied. We need to put Fan not with Cha or Gia, or with Dawn or Gia. So Fan can't be here, can't be here, can't be here. But if I introduce a 4th bus, then everything's happy. So we showed it can't be done with 3 buses, but we know there's a way. This is one way. It doesn't have to be the only way. But this is one way to do it with 4 buses. So 4 is the minimum. And it's just a little logic puzzle, which is kind of nice. So 4 buses, that would be B, because they listed them in increasing order. And there we go. So up next, we're going to take a look at question number 23. I will see you for that in the following video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.